Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! Back in Grammar 1.9.2, we looked at how to ask for locations using where. For example, where's my little cat? 我的小猫在哪儿? Where's my cup? 我的杯子在哪儿? In this video, let's take a look at a different way of asking the question that expresses curiosity. Let's turn to page 67 and take a look at grammar point number 4. The question, where's my little cat, can be expressed with 我的小猫在哪儿 or 我的小猫在哪儿呢? Remember, 呢 expresses curiosity, like saying, I wonder. For example, where is he? 他在哪儿? With 呢. 他在哪儿呢? Where is he? I wonder. Where's my little cat? 我的小猫在哪儿? Becomes, 我的小猫在哪儿呢? I'm curious, where's my little cat? Where is it? I can't find it. 我的小猫在哪儿呢? Here the 呢 is expressing I wonder, I'm curious, or I desperately want to find out where it is. Or you can simply get rid of 在哪儿 and say 我的小猫呢? It expresses the same thing. If you just say now plus 呢, you're asking where it is. 我的小猫呢? Where's my little cat? What about my cat? Where is it? Remember back in Grammar 1.4.3, we learned how to use 呢 to ask the question, what about? For example, I'm Chinese, what about you? 我是中国人，你呢? He's Chinese, what about her? 他是中国人，他呢? 呢 can also express I wonder, right? So where's my little cat can be translated into 我的小猫呢? So really, the meaning of 呢 depends on the context. Does the sentence 我的小猫呢 mean what about my little cat or where's my little cat? Well, if you're looking around for something, then definitely it means that you're looking for your cat, right? So the sentence would mean where's my little cat? Where's my cup? 我的杯子在哪儿? With curiosity, 我的杯子在哪儿呢? Or simply 我的杯子呢? Just noun plus 呢，我的杯子呢
John, 我的杯子呢？
这儿
我的书呢？
那儿 Now tell me, how do you ask the question, where's my son? 我的儿子呢? How about, where's your friend? 你的朋友呢? Very simple. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.